Hello beautiful, I hope you're having a gorgeous day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. This video is from exciting. I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm gonna be trying to attempt to do brow lamination thing by myself in front of you. Got this kit by Diablo called Brow Lift Brow Lamination Kit. I tried the Diablo Lash Lift Kit already. I'm gonna insert video up in here so you guys can check it out. And that kit was super easy to use and that lifted my lashes like crazy literally. And without any further ado, let's open up, let's see what we have. We have the special adhesive, the comb, the micro applicator, the lotion. We have a little instruction at the back, exactly the same as with a lash lift. They say to start from a clean brows, not to have any makeup on or anything. Well, I don't have anything on my face yet. It's morning, by the way, if you're wondering. I'm just off the shower. My face is as clean as it can be. First thing we need to do is apply adhesive on the brows and start combing them up with a brow comb into the desired position, making sure brow hairs are evenly spaced and straight. Okay guys, my brows are extremely stubborn, and even with this glue it doesn't want to stay in a place I want it to be, but I think this is good enough. Let's go with another step. They say to do is use a micro applicator, which is included, and apply a thick layer of lift lotion. Okay, it says to apply the cling film and wait 3-5 minutes. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes. The next thing I'm doing is removing this cling film. Clean this off with a clean what? Guys, it kind of bleached my eyebrow. You can see it looks lighter than that. I surely will need to tint my eyebrows after this. So it says to brush the brows now. They include this little spoolie. You can definitely see the difference in how it's sitting, you know. You just see some stubborn ones that still don't want to listen. Next step is to apply the lotion. Number 2. So basically to apply this lotion, again cover up with cling film and wait for 3-5 minutes. Gonna add cling film on again and wait 5 minutes. Let's remove this. So next step, what they say is to do is just to remove it with a wet cotton pad. So this is what I'm doing. Next step is to nourish. So we have this nourishing lotion in here. Oh, this is very liquidy, you guys. I wasn't expecting that. The brow is done. It actually was very easy. The hardest part is to apply the adhesive and to keep it in place. It's just because it's drying very fast, so you need to go in the sections. But yeah, super easy. What do you guys think? I can really see the difference. I'm gonna do exactly the same on this brow, and then I'm gonna tint my brows with this. I've been using this for a while and I absolutely love it. So far, I'm sure you can see the difference because this eyebrow, because my brows are so stubborn, even if I try to brush up, it doesn't listen like this one. Alright, so I just tinted my brows so it looks extra dark. I'm gonna apply makeup so you guys gonna see how it looks with the makeup on, so my brows not gonna look as dark. What I wanna say so far about this Diablo brow lift, it definitely does the job. It's extremely easy and fast to use because you keep each lotion for like 3-5 minutes. Remove, apply another one, remove, and you're done. So yeah, super easy for sure. Brows are lifted. It looks like I have more brows, although it is exactly the same amount. And my brows doesn't feel as stubborn because before, to brush upwards like this, like I would use a brow soap or brow glue or anything, and it still wouldn't listen. So yeah, works. Okay, I'm gonna apply makeup on and I'll show you how the finish looks, but so far it rest. And the back guys, I changed it up because I filmed another video in the meantime. I actually really like the way my brows looks after I applied my makeup. I mean, it looks perfectly laminated. I just used a tiny bit of the NYX Lift and Snatch in Espresso just to fill in the gaps where I don't have brows, so it doesn't look super spare, and just a tiny bit in the beginning of the brow so it's not as far apart. But other than that, I didn't use any other product on my brows, and it's just sitting perfectly like in place. Can you guys see that? Thumbs up from me for this Diablo Brow Lift Brow Lamination Kit. Extremely easy to use. The hardest part, as I mentioned, was to use the adhesive just because it dries so fast, so you need to go in a section so as my tip don't go a whole brow like I did, because I was literally ripping my brows off. Everything else was just so fast and easy to do. Like, yeah, couldn't recommend more. I mean, you can see result for yourself. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching it. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more. Let me know if you actually tried this or anything like this, or if you would love to give this a go. And yeah, I shall see you soon. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day guys. Ciao for now.